Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who follows you on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, you simply gotta go ahead, open up your Snapchat app. Gonna go to this little chat section, tap on this add people icon. Here you will find the section of sync contacts to find friends. What you have to do is you have to tap on that and you have to sync it. Once you have synced, you have to make sure it's on full access, right? And tap on open settings and access the contacts. Once you have done that, all of the people in your contacts will have access and you will be able to check out who has added you or who have started following you or have sent you the request. That's one way to determine that. Next thing is checking out the request. You can see I have this request, and if these people have simply requested to follow me, if you have a public account and have allowed following, then you can check that out. And if you want to simply ignore, you can go ahead, tap on this cross icon and ignore them, or if you want to accept, tap on accept, and that's how your follower count will increase. So that is all it takes to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.